This is the Bemis toilet seat with durable enameled wood. And look how nice this is. Now this is in round, however they also have elongated, so make sure to measure which one's needed. And besides the toilet seat, you're also going to get these bumpers here on the back, and you're also going to get hardware. You're going to get these 2 wing nuts as well as these hex screws. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of the Hex-Tite screws, and here's a close-up of the 2 wing nuts you're also going to receive. And here's a close-up of the toilet seat. Very easy to open and close. And it also has these rubber bumpers here on the bottom. These are also very easy to install. Let's go do that right now. And this also is durable enameled wood, which resists chipping and scratching. And it also has a high gloss finish. This is recommended for residential use and also fits all round toilets, including Kohler, American Standard, TOTO, and many more. And it's also proudly made in the USA. I'm definitely pleased with my purchase. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.